Nowadays, every other Nepalese is leaving this country. Why? Because they say there's nothing in Nepal. No jobs, no system, no future. And for a long time, even I also used to believe this. I told myself, once I finish my studies, I will leave Nepal to do something big. But then, one thought suddenly hit in my mind. If there's nothing in Nepal, then who is stopping me from being the one who builds it? Wait, am I going to reveal the biggest master plan of mine? I think yes. Let me explain in simple words as possible. Amazon works in US. What's stopping you from building the Amazon of Nepal? Oh wait, someone already did. It's called Daraz, $1 million company. Uber works in America. We copied it. Now we have Pathao. It's also the $1 million company. Swiggy works in India. We don't have that till now. Let's copy Swiggy and launch it as a Wiggy in Nepal. There's no B2B platform in Nepal where factories, shops and suppliers connect. Let's copy IndiaMart and launch it as a Nepmart in Nepal. You think there's nothing in Nepal? Bro, this is our biggest advantage. Everything you are using today was copied by someone else and now they are millionaires. Oh, but copy paste is cheating. This is the effect of our education system. They don't know that millionaires and billionaires are here just because of the copy paste and they named it as inspiration. Bro, no one told you the truth. Copy paste is not cheating. Copying is learning how the world works and then building it in your own way. Every billionaire out there copied someone else. They just named it something cooler, added the logo, changed the font, and boom, they became the innovators. But people who copied early became kings, and the people who waited to be original are still broken, still blaming. And that's why you have the biggest opportunity. Just because you are in Nepal, where nothing has been built yet, the market is empty, the ideas are already proven, and the people are ready to pay. They are just waiting for someone to stop thinking and start building. And if you are still scared to copy, then keep scrolling. Let me be the guy who builds it. But don't you dare say Nepal has no opportunity. Nepal don't need original ideas. Nepal needs original courage. Courage to take what works and make it ours. Copy the system, paste it in our soil and scale like a warrior. This is not motivation, this is a blueprint. Copy it, paste it, build it, own it. Nepal is waiting. We are not in a poor country. We are in an unbuilt empire. Let's build it.